Hi, my name is Kenneth from KeyQuest Mortgage. Today I'm excited to have a special guest who is our client as well as our business partner to share his experience when they are engaging KeyQuest Mortgage. So Melvin, thank you for joining us today's session. So Melvin is actually from Property Lim Brothers and they actually specialize in selling properties. And if you have been watching Facebook or Instagram, I'm very sure you definitely saw one of their videos before. So Melvin, maybe you can do a quick introduction of yourself.
I'm the co-founder and CEO of Property Lim Brothers. So we have been in the real estate industry for the past 15 years and of course set up Property Lim Brothers brand and our team has been operating for the past 5 years. And we specialize in a lot of video content. Right now we've just passed our 1,000 video mark on YouTube.
Wow.
And our team comprises of a mix of different people from diverse backgrounds. So we have a team of videographers and editors, research analysts, data analysts, inside sales team, marketing team, as well as our client support team. So currently our team is made up of a very strong team of 90 young individuals, and we specialize from the end-to-end process of selling and marketing homes, and of course helping our clients to look for investments as well as their next home for their families as well.
So Melvin, maybe you can share with me or share with the audience today why do you engage KeyQuest Mortgage as one of your partners as well? Because for you, for property agents, you have all the relevant contacts from the different banks. Why would you want to choose to work with KeyQuest Mortgage over a bank directly?
KeyQuest has been one of our core partners in Property Lim Brothers team for the past few years. Yeah, so when I first met Kenneth many years back, yeah, so I was very impressed by his knowledge and ability to help our customers to really find solutions because especially with different cooling measures and policies, TDSR, and of course trying to structure your portfolio differently. I think most importantly is sometimes to find solutions and think out of the box, and also in terms of timing to help our customers to plan their mortgage wisely. When I first met Kenneth, I think the most important thing is that I think he has a very genuine sense to want to help people. Yeah, so yeah, so even for my own property, right, when I take mortgage loan for my home or my investment property. So basically, Kenneth is my go-to person, even for my own home. Yeah. So which is also why I dare to recommend to our customers, right? So I think customers nowadays, they are all very savvy. Everybody has access to mortgage brokers directly from the banks, and we leave it actually to our own customers' preferences because some of them already have a very long relationship with their relationship manager, and we totally respect whatever preference that they have. But of course, when it comes to customers that hopes to have a person that's very experienced or a team that's very experienced to compare rates for them across board, so that they don't have to spend time calling different bankers from different banks to try to assemble the rates themselves, and if they want deeper knowledge and insights on some of the terms and conditions on each type of packages month-on-month basis, I think the best way is to work with a reliable and trusted team of mortgage brokers, which I think KeyQuest definitely has a lot of experience in this field, and so our clients have benefited from Kenneth and his team's expertise, not just in comparing rates. I think really about the advice and the consultation that you share with them in restructuring or refinancing their loan, or what to look out for when taking this first loan, planning forward when you take this type of loan with this type of conditions. Are you planning to buy a property next year or 2 years later? So you need to plan forward. Yeah, so I think pre-planning is very important, right? So I think KeyQuest has done well in this aspect when it comes to customers that really want an expert in loans and specialization in that area. Yeah, so which is why even when I myself, although I can go to my regular bankers directly, I still choose to work with Kenneth because I think he also have one more additional thing is that he takes care of the entire process from start to finish. I'm a very busy person because I have so many things to manage, a huge team to manage as well. So I want to leave my mortgage, restructuring, refinancing, everything to a person that can take care of everything. And one thing I like about you, Kenneth, is that you will prompt me. So you will just text me and say, hey, Melvin, you need to do this already. Hey, Melvin, you need to do that already. Hey, Melvin, your wife needs to do this. You need to do that. So I think that's very good. And I don't have to chase my mortgage broker. My mortgage broker will come and chase me. So I think that's the important thing, especially when if you're a business owner or you are very engaged in your career. Having a good team is extremely important.
Yeah. I think basically is we kind of prompt you at different phases, because at different phases sometimes you need to get certain things done. So that is the so-called one of the things we do differently from other brokers as well. That instead of you coming chase, hey, what's my loan status and where are we at? We kind of update you at different phase what you need to do at certain phase. This action is required done, or what's the next step we need to do. So for yourself, because Melvin, I totally understand that because you're always busy. So we kind of keep track things for you as well as the rest of customers, so that you don't need to be constantly thinking, oh, what's next for my mortgage loan and what need to be done for the upcoming phase. But maybe you can also share, I'm sure you have engaged bankers before engaging us. What would be the main difference you think which makes us stand out from a bankers, or what would be the main difference you find?
Every vendors, they will have their own sets of expertise and USP. So of course, if somebody has a long-standing relationship with a bank, if they have different premium accounts and things, maybe they can get preferential rates and all that kind of stuff. But I think the important thing is that sometimes rates and packages, they change so fast every month. The important thing is to know what are the options out there compared to me being a consumer, and I have to do my homework myself. Yeah, so I think the key difference between KeyQuest is that y'all have always very constant updates and constant relationship with your own set of bankers, and you have access to like all the banks, and it's very easy for you to do one-shot comparison. Sometimes the selling and buying process takes time for a homeowner trying to sell and buy their home. Maybe they inquire about the rates in December, but by the time they sell their place ready to purchase, it's already in March. Yes. And things will change. Yeah, so in March, they will have to do a new set of homework again, right? So I think the homework takes time, and having somebody that already has the existing research across all the banks, I think that's the best thing to save time.
Maybe one last point you'd like to share. Do you think that KeyQuest Mortgage will be someone you would like to refer to your clients?
Definitely, yeah. I think what our team like is also, Kenneth also comes down to PRV to give very regular updates and training as well on mortgage portfolio structuring and things like that. So definitely would recommend to our clients, or even if let's say you are running a real estate business, do look for Kenneth. If you are hunting for a next home, also look for Kenneth and his team as well.
Thank you so much, Melvin, for sharing all this with us today. So if you are a property agent, or if you are a business owner or individuals looking to compare your next housing loan, please feel free to reach out to us. We will post our link below. Just click on the link. One of my colleagues will actually reach out to you to assist you on your mortgage inquiry. Thank you.